They broke you. They betrayed you. They left you in pieces. And now the world expects you to rise again. The Stoics knew this truth well. Life will not spare you. People will wound you. Fate will test you. But the measure of a man or a woman is not whether you break. It's whether you rebuild, quietly, relentlessly, until the pieces become something stronger than before. This is how the Stoics rebuilt after being shattered, and how you can rise again. 1. Accept the fall without shame. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Do not be ashamed of needing help. It is like a soldier storming a wall. What if he has no one to help him climb?" The first step after you've been broken is acceptance, not denial, not pretending you're fine, but looking at the ruins honestly and saying, "Yes, I am hurt. Yes, I am shattered. And yet, I live." Do not shame yourself for being broken. Even marble cracks under pressure. Even steel bends. But in cracks, light enters. In the breaking, the possibility of reshaping begins. 2. Detach from what destroyed you. Epictetus taught, when someone injures you, realize that they are acting out of their own ignorance. The choice to be harmed is yours. After being broken, the instinct is to hold on to the pain, to replay the betrayal, to let resentment burn you from the inside. But Stoicism demands detachment. Detach from the person, the event, the memory that shattered you. Why? Because the past is unchangeable, and as the Stoics said, you always have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Let them go. Not for them, but for you. The more you clutch the shards, the deeper they cut. 3. Rebuild slowly, quietly. Rebuilding is not glamorous. It is not loud. It happens in silence. When you wake up one more day than you wanted to. When you choose discipline over despair. When you begin again, stone by stone, action by action. Seneca said, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it." Rebuilding means refusing to waste today on grief. It means taking control of what's left and making it enough. One walk, one workout, one page read, one small victory. These are the bricks of your new foundation. 4. Transform pain into power. A Stoic does not merely survive suffering, they use it. Marcus Aurelius, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. If betrayal broke you, let it teach you wisdom about trust. If failure broke you, let it sharpen your resilience. If loss broke you, let it teach you the depth of gratitude for what remains. The pain that crushed you can become the very steel that makes you unbreakable. Every scar is a reminder that you did not stay down." 5. Rise with a new identity. When you rebuild, you are not the same as before. You are stronger, harder, wiser. The Stoics believed that identity is not fixed. It is forged through trials. You are not defined by the breaking, but by the rebuilding. Stand tall, not as who you once were, but as someone entirely new. The fire has touched you, but it has also purified you. You are reborn, not broken. Closing, call to rise. Remember this, they thought breaking you would end you, but all they did was give you the raw material to build something greater. Rise, not with anger, not with noise, but with quiet strength. Rebuild, transform, and let your comeback speak louder than your pain. Thoughtful. As Marcus Aurelius said, "The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. The best revenge is to rise unshaken." This is how the Stoics rebuilt after being broken. And this is how you will rise again.